Hello students, today we will do our first activity, construction of square root spiral, and this activity is from chapter 1, number system. Objective of this activity is to construct the square root spiral up to root 10. Required materials are color papers, color pencils, glue, geometry box, etc. Previous knowledge: in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. It means we will use here Pythagoras theorem. Let's see how we can construct square root spiral.
First, we will draw a line segment of 1 unit. I am taking here 1 unit equal 1 inch. Let this line segment is your OA. Now, we will make an angle of 90 degree at point A. And we will draw a perpendicular line on this point A of again 1 inch. This is also your 1 inch. Let this point is your B. Now we will join this OB. So this is your right angle triangle. As you know student, in any right angle triangle we can apply which theorem? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? H square equal P square plus B square. Hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is OB, opposite side of 90 degrees. OB is the hypotenuse, perpendicular is your 1 unit, and base is also your 1 unit. 1 square it means 1, 1 square it means 1, 1 plus 1 we will get 2. It means the value of OB square equals to 2. So the value of OB will be root 2. So here the value of OB is root 2. Now we will proceed this process. Again we will make an angle of 90 degree taking OB as base, and this perpendicular line will also of 1 unit. We will get C here. Now we will join this OC. Again this is a right angle triangle and the length of BC is your 1, and when you again apply Pythagoras theorem you will get OC. The length of OC will be now root 3. Again repeat the same process. Now at point C, taking OC as base, again we will draw a right angle, and this perpendicular line again we will take of 1 inch. Now we will join, let this point is your D. Now we will join this OD. This is again your right angle triangle and length of DC is your again 1 unit. So this length of OD will be root 4. Similarly we will proceed this process up to root 10. Now we will take D as center and OD as again we will take 1 inch of line. This is your point E. Then we will join this OE. Root 2, root 3, root 4. This is your root 5. Next step, 90 degree, one inch line, 90 degree, E after F, join O. This is your root 6. Let's proceed this process one again. 90 degree, one inch line, G, join OG, 1 unit, root 7. Proceed this process. Ninety degree, one inch line, this is your H point, 90 degree, 1 unit. After this, root 8. Repeat this process. Ninety degree, 1 inch line, I point, join OI, 1 unit, root 9. Now we will repeat same process once more to get root 10. 90 degree, one inch line, this is J and this is your root 10. Now the question is, this is the spiral of root 2, root 3, root 2 up to root 10. Now how we can represent this on the number line? For that we will extend this line. Now we have to represent this on the number line. So taking O as center and OB as radius, this is the length of your root 2, cut an arc which cuts the number line, this given number line at point M. So this line, this point M represent root 2. Similarly for root 3 we will take O as center and OC as radius. This is your point N and this represent root 3. For root 4, taking O as center and OD as radius, again cut an arc which cuts the number line at P. This shows your root 4. As we know, the value of root 4 is 2. It means this line shows your 2 units. As you can see here student, from point O to point P, the distance is your 2 unit. Root 4 equal also 2. So the length of OB is equal to root 2, which is equal to length of OM, and length of OC equals to root 3, which is equal to ON, and length of OD equals to root 4, which is equal to 2 unit, equals to OP.
Result of this activity is, in this way we get a square root spiral pattern. Learning outcomes: on the same plane, different irrational numbers can be represented on the number line, and by using Pythagoras theorem, students will be able to construct a square root spiral.